Hi, I'm Hannah. I'm the resident expert here at Skacel on all your knitting machine needs, and I'm here to show you how to take apart your machine in case you ever need to replace a part. Next, we are going to be showing you how to replace the red ring on your machines. And as you can see, I have a large ring for a king-size machine and a small ring for a pro with 22 needles here. And it is done in the same way, and we're going to be demonstrating on a king size. You're going to need a Phillips screwdriver, and you're going to remove the 4 screws holding this first black ring on your machine. Once you have removed all your screws, you can simply lift up this ring, and it'll come with your yarn guide attached, and set that aside. And from here, you can simply lift up your old ring and set it aside. Be sure to take note of where your black needles are, because on your new ring, you're going to want to make sure to replace it with the same number as each needle. So I'm going to find my number 1, which is going to be your first black needle. And as you come down, you might just need to wiggle things around just a little. Be sure everything is coming down and lined up, like so. Now that we have our new red ring replaced, I can put this ring back on. You're going to want to line up these little notches on your ring with the threads in the body of your machine, and simply screw them back in.